In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create WhatsApp account. By the end, you'll be up and running, ready to message, call, and share with your contacts. All you need is a smartphone, a stable internet connection, and an active mobile number that can receive texts or calls. Start by getting the app. On Android, open the Google Play Store. On iPhone, open the Apple App Store, search for WhatsApp Messenger, and download the free app. A quick tip: connect to Wi-Fi if possible so the download is fast, and make sure you have a little storage space available. Open WhatsApp once it's installed. You'll see the terms of service and privacy policy. Take a moment to skim them so you understand how your data is used and what you're agreeing to. When you're ready, tap agree and continue to move on. Now, confirm your phone number. Choose your country from the drop down list so the correct country code is applied. Then type your mobile number carefully. Double check it for typos. This number becomes your WhatsApp identity, and the next step depends on it being correct. When it looks right, tap next. WhatsApp will send a 6-digit verification code by SMS or, if needed, via a phone call. If the code doesn't autofill, type it in manually. Make sure your phone can receive texts or calls and that you have a good signal. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait for the on screen timer to finish before requesting another one. Keep this code private, never share it with anyone. Once your number is verified, set up your profile, type the name you want your contacts to see. It can be your first name, a nickname, or your business name, whatever helps people recognize you. You can also add a profile photo now or skip it and do it later. A clear, friendly picture makes it easier for friends to find you. Don't worry, you can change your name and photo anytime in settings. When prompted, allow WhatsApp to access your contacts and photos. Granting contact access helps the app find which of your phone contacts are already on WhatsApp so you can start chatting instantly. Allowing photos makes it easy to share images and videos in your conversations. If you prefer, you can deny permissions now and enable them later in your phone's settings. WhatsApp will still work, but some features will be limited until you grant access. That's it. Your WhatsApp account is created. You're ready to start conversations, make calls, and share media securely with end-to-end encryption. Enjoy your new setup.